Hello, aspiring proposal managers. Welcome back to Baachu Scribble. If you've set your sights on becoming APMP certified in 2024, you're in the right place. Get ready to supercharge your career as our award-winning APMP certification training courses are now open for enrollment. Let's dive into the details. Whether you prefer the flexibility of self-paced online learning or the engagement of live workshops, we've got you covered. Let's explore the incredible offerings of our APMP certification training. For those who crave flexibility, our self-paced online learning is the perfect fit. Let's take a look at what's included. The package comes with 5 core modules, 31 video lessons with pass cards, a 350+ pages study guide, ebook, tutor and community support, reminder calls, nudge emails, and a handy study calendar. But that's not all. You'll also have the opportunity to revise key syllabus areas using the engaging Scribble Talk Teaching APMP Foundation and Practitioner podcast. Come exam day, you'll be guided by exam day guidance. Learn from past students' tips and frequently asked questions in video format and practice with over 220+ questions and 4 mock tests, all modeled on actual APMP Foundation exam questions. Now let's talk about the investment in your professional growth. The APMP Foundation course is just $149, and for our friends in India, it's Rs 7,500. The APMP Practitioner course is $299, and in India, it's Rs 12,000. So whether you're just starting your journey or aiming for the next level, our APMP certification training covers all key concepts of the examination, ensuring you're well prepared to excel. Don't miss this opportunity to advance your proposal management profession. Check out the details using the in the description below.